Good afternoon, everybody. Fayman Steve here once again. It is Thursday, November the 13th. I have not done a video of a vacuuming video in quite a while. Today I am going to be vacuuming my bedroom floor with this Power Force compact turbo vacuum cleaner made by Bisselle. This is actually the same vacuum cleaner that I've been using primarily since I moved here 3 years ago, and obviously it's still chugging along. These vacuum cleaners are excellent performers, and it still has all of the original attachments and whatnot to it. There's the hose for extensive cleaning. Power cord is getting to where it's a little frayed here and there, but I'm keeping a close watch on it. So look at the bottom here. There's some plastic there on the bottom. Other than that, not a whole lot of dirt or hair or whatnot. I cleaned this a couple of nights ago when I was doing the last video. The floor is a little dirty in here, as you can see. So let's go ahead and get this floor vacuumed. Floor is in clean condition now. It smells better in here too. Alright, well there you go everybody. I hope that you all have enjoyed, and thanks for watching.